yummy eggs. I like them for breakfast. They're excellent. What else can you do with eggs? Can you do science? Of course you can. At least according to this book. An egg has a hard shell. But what does it have inside? It has a yolk and an egg white, but also two membranes to protect them. Eggs are really similar to our cells. Cells have membranes too, and they are selectively permeable. That means that some nutrients can go through and some cannot. Nature likes balance, and it uses osmosis to achieve it. Osmosis is when water molecules move from a high concentrated place to a low concentrated place to balance out. And eggs can show you exactly how that works. The eggshell is made out of calcium carbonate. Vinegar will dissolve the calcium carbonate from the shell and release carbon dioxide, which is the bubbles you see in the video. Place the eggs in vinegar for 48 hours, as you can see right here. You can also see the gas bubbles coming up. Let's get to it. We started with an egg like this. We soaked it in vinegar for 48 hours and soaked it in water, and it became like this. For comparison, this is almost 2 times the size of this. So squishy, almost like a bouncy ball. We took an egg like this and tried putting it in different liquid. This is what we got. We put this naked egg in a solution of 70% alcohol. This is what it looks like. This egg lost a lot of water and it became white. We put this egg in water with color. It soaked up so much water. And as you can see, it's completely colored. And finally, we put another naked egg in a high sugar solution. It feels very thin, like it could break any second. If you do this, be very careful. And it is completely see-through. These are the eggs that lost water, and these are the eggs that gained water. And this is a normal egg for comparison. This is osmosis at work. I had an excellent time playing with osmosis.